Hello friends, and today we're going to model another tricky little shape. I believe it will be fast video, but for those who don't know how to make this type of thing, it can be a little bit tricky. Let's dive in it. First thing first, the dimensions. I already have them here, it's 8 by 5. And we will start from corner box. So we will just drop it over here like that. And let's just make it smaller, like 4.25. Okay, let's move it here. So I will have it in the center. So now let's rotate it like that. Move this guy a bit here. That's good. Okay, now we need to do a loop cut. So I will select the face, select this, Control R, tab, and drop it somewhere, I guess, here. Yeah, perfect spot. Let's take this RV, place it in this thing here, and just rotate it something like that. Now I want line, and I will do it like that from this corner just to cut it. Let me take this, delete this, take this, delete this mesh, select this thing, and press E to extrude it somewhere over here. Let's do Alt X from left to right. That definitely need to be a bit bigger. So I will extrude this part like that. A little bit lower, somewhere over here, I think. And let's do Alt X. Good. Don't merge it. Select this part, delete it, move it a bit over here. Take this and extrude it here. Good. And now let's make this one a bit lower just to match the side. And this one should be a bit lower too. Okay, one more thing needed a little bit smaller here. Let's save it. And now let's Alt X it. Alt X, Q, take this, R, V here, and rotate it somewhere over here, just to make this bull head. Let's take this thing. Can I make it just a bit like that? Okay, just to match it better. Let's take it, Alt X. Yeah, the shape is pretty much done. These angles, actually, I can select this and I can press Control 2 and I can select all of this. And now I will do the chamfer and I will do it till the end. So it eat a little bit of this thing. Good. And I don't need it so much angular here, so I will take this white circle and adjust it a bit like that. Lower part needs to be a little bit more angular like that, so I will take this front thing and just GZ and put it somewhere over here. Yes, that's what I was looking for. Now let's do all cuts and holes and finish it up with these bevels and text. And I definitely think this thing should be a little bit lower, like this. Yeah, so this one is a bit, so they will mat like this, like this thing. Yeah, this is much better. Regular polygon, and I will create triangle. If it's not a triangle, just press Shift and scroll it until it will be triangle. If you scroll too much, it will become circle, so be careful. Okay, and let's press V. Make it like this. Press V again and apply it. Now we take one vertex, G, X, and align it here. And make this one a bit bigger. Now I need to select each of them and bevel. Here we go. But it's in incorrect direction. Okay, it's not a big deal. If you've done it like that, I got your back here. Good. Let's take this. Just mirrored them. And everything became good. Okay. Put it over here. I think it should be lower. And let's move it on the front. A bit smaller. Yeah, I think it is like that. Even a bit smaller, I think. Like this. Let's select this and see, cut through. Delete this solid. We don't need it. Here's the hole. Let me just see it. Yeah, the same. If you trick yourself with this angularity, there is no angularity, just perspective thing. We will do a corner box. Just drop it like that. And let's position it somewhere over here. Yep. That's basically all we need to do here. GV, put it here, and let's move it here. And the lower one is a lot, like almost here. Let's take it, C, let's just do Shift D, and let's make another one over here. Like this, and make it smaller. GV, put it here, drop it here, GV here and here. And let's mirror it to make the same. Alt X, F, put it in the center of this thing. Oh, so it was perfect. It was perfect by eye. Amazing. Okay, Shift D, G, V, put it here and drop it a bit here. And the lower one. Okay, Shift D, put it here, R, X, and like that. Let's drop it somewhere over here. It doesn't really matter because I will mirror it. Let's make it a bit narrower here, like this. Good. Select this, select this, select this, C, cut, right click. Let's drop them into curves and let's delete all of these things. We don't need them. Do a little bevels here. Control Alt and I'll select all of them. Let's make it like this. Good. Control Alt. Same here. Control Alt. Same here. And Control Alt. Same over here. Let's do Alt X from left to right. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. I'm not sure whether it has some holes over here. I can't see them. And the finishing part is just to add these amazing bevels. Let's drop them. And yeah, also it has a little went out of there. Let's just hide this one. We don't need him. And let's just take all of this face and do a E extrusion and just small one here. Good. Yeah, something like that. Let's take this edge and make it like that. Should be narrow. This one should be a bit bigger, like that. This one and this one should be the same. Let's make them like that. More, a bit more, like that. Yes. And this one should be something in the middle. like that, I guess. Maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. Yeah, like this. You know, this should be a bit less. Let's take it like that. Yeah. And here is also should be like this, and make it like this. Okay. And let's alt exit to the other side, Q, merge it. Yeah, and let's add some bevels here. Over here. One big bevel, like that. Yeah, that's nice. Over here. One bevel, a bit smaller, not super big. Just like that. And over here. One nice bevel just to close all this thing like that. Can I just do that? Yeah, perfect. Yep, that's good. Let me just see it without anything. Yeah, that's good. And let's add some bevels here. Let's add it from here. Here, here. You just select everything. And just bevel them like that. Just small little bevel. And alt X as usual. Good. And let's drop the text. Just a little text here. F text. Select it. Let's write something like, and select space mono. I like it. Let's put it over here. Somewhere in the center. Yep. Like that. Just position it in the middle over here. Make it like that. You can use construction plane if you want. Just press space and create the text over here. But I think it's not necessary. It will work same way. Make it a bit smaller. And let's do Shift I and imprint it here. Okay, right click. Good. Put it to the curves. And let's select everything. Control Shift plus. Yep. And deselect this with Control. Okay, nothing here. Good. And the central one. And let's just extrude inside. Perfect. We also can add this thing. Let's just quickly add it. So it's basically a corner box. Something like that. Let's make it a bit like this, like this. Drop it here. It's beveled. Like that. Yes. And it's offsetted. Like that. Okay. And although it has this thing, it's not alt exit. Let's go it over here. Yep. And alt X. Drop it here. That's there on the same level. Yes. So we can take the trim and just trim it like that. And like that. All of these curves and join them. Okay. And now I can do a Shift I and imprint it here. Right click, it's imprinted, perfect. X, delete it, and extrude it inside like this. And maybe, you know what, I can just do extrusion here and try to A and modify the angle a bit. Just to have it like this. You can do the same things with letters if you wish, but I just like it like that. Let's just select this, 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 and just do something like this. Right click. Yep, perfect. Here you go. Here's your beautiful mesh. Just hide it and do like this. Let me see it in the render. Quick look. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Okay, so here you have it. Your beautiful mesh. Have a great day, model something cool today. I hope yours mesh looks much better than mine. As usual, I will see you in the next one. Bye.